EvoEnergy is the UK's leading renewable energy specialist. We offer a range of complementary services and technologies to help our clients reduce their carbon emissions and support them on their journey to net zero. From start to finish, we consult, develop, design, construct, monitor, and maintain your projects. We are the trusted renewable energy maintenance partner for many businesses in the UK. Our maintenance and monitoring services give you peace of mind over your system's lifetime to ensure optimal performance through scheduled repairs and expert cleaning. These services can help you to save money and propel your organisation towards net zero emissions status. Our proactive engineers provide expert monitoring and benchmarking analytics once your project is completed, so you can have peace of mind that your system will perform as expected. Able to deploy a team of experts to any site in the UK at short notice, our huge reach gives you the assurance that your renewable energy technology will continue to achieve results long after the delivery of your project. We never say goodbye once a project is installed. We're always there to maintain your system's performance, ensuring that you continue to see the best possible returns and carbon savings over its lifetime. As the leading renewable energy service partner for lots of UK organisations, companies nationwide come to us for system maintenance and ad hoc repairs. Whatever your requirements, our team of renewable energy experts can guide you from start to finish and help your business save money, reduce emissions, and secure future energy generation for years to come.